Thank you, everyone. I was actually going to talk about, from my perspective, I think there's three really important reasons why we need to have better public transport and a duplicated line. Health reasons, for the climate, and for equity. So I'll start off by health. I recently completed a PhD, and when we look at the health outcomes for people across Melbourne, it is important that people across Melbourne have opportunities to walk and opportunities to walk for transport and use public transport. It's an issue to do with equity because the health outcomes for people in poorer parts of Melbourne are worse, and the public infrastructure in poorer parts of Melbourne are far worse. And I think when we look at the Upfieldline, we see a social gradient. Those postcodes closer to the city, the house values and the socio-economic profile of those residents are far higher than people in the northern parts of the suburb. So the third reason is around the climate. I think yesterday we saw 150,000 young people across Australia rally for climate. And we need to be investing more in public transport. So for me, I catch the train most days, or else I cycle along the Upfield bike path. But on the basis of creating an equitable Melbourne, we're going to have 8 million people living in Melbourne by 2050. It is important that we build the infrastructure to support a population, to support the health of the population, and to support equitable health outcomes of the population. Thank you.